Alright, real quiet moment here. Predator Helios Neo 16S. This is for the kind of person who refuses to be tied to one place to get elite performance. You don't want a desktop life. You want freedom without giving up dominance. You're the type who expects your machine to adapt to you, not the other way around. Before you go any further, check the current price and stock. Laptops built at this level don't stay politely available, and hesitation usually turns into settling. You knew it was time to upgrade when portability started costing you power. You wanted to move rooms, travel, switch environments, but every time you did, performance dipped. Visuals softened. Responsiveness slipped. You realized your old setup was forcing you to choose between mobility and intensity. That tension disappears fast here. You open the lid and everything just feels ready. Games feel immediate. Creative work feels fluid. You're no longer thinking, will this handle it? You're already in motion before that thought even finishes. Imagine gaming sessions where the OLED screen pulls detail out of dark scenes instead of crushing them. Fast-paced moments stay razor sharp, not smeared. Editing or creative work feels more honest because colors look the way they're supposed to. Even everyday scrolling feels different when motion stays perfectly clean. What really changes your mindset is how contained the power feels. Not explosive. Not unstable. Controlled. Once you get used to that, weaker laptops feel compromised in a way you can't unfeel. You notice the lag, the blur, the hesitation immediately. If this machine is already living rent-free in your head, don't wait for some perfect timing. This is exactly the kind of upgrade people delay while telling themselves their current setup is fine, right up until frustration wins. You might think this level of performance is unnecessary on the go. That belief disappears the first time you realize you're no longer adjusting expectations just because you're not at a desk. This isn't excess, it's consistency wherever you are. Here's the surprise benefit most people don't expect: immersion without effort. You don't have to chase settings or tweak endlessly. The experience just holds together, session after session. Owning something like this feels liberating. Like you finally stop choosing between convenience and capability. You get desktop-level confidence anywhere. Visuals feel deep, crisp, and intentional. Motion stays clean under pressure. Performance feels steady, not stressed. Your setup finally feels uncompromised. It's not designed for ultra-quiet casual use. And serious power demands proper airflow. At some point, the comparison loop breaks. You stop asking what else is out there and admit what you already want. Check availability, trust your instinct, and don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay until you're tired of making excuses for your setup.